Blame is the death knell of any relationship. When we understand this, we work at changing our blameful behavior if we want our relationship to last. This doesn't mean we must be perfect. It does mean we take responsibility. And if we react with a blameful outburst, we acknowledge we've been blameful as soon as we can, and we apologize. We learn to express how we feel and the problem we have in a non-blameful owning statement. In my experience, when both individuals stopped blaming, the couple deepened their commitment to each other. And if one person couldn't stop with the blame, that usually ended the relationship. Just give it a thought and see how you feel.